Hey everybody, it's Dr. Billy Williams. I got some big news for you guys. We are moving to a whole new platform, moving to a whole new video and document library. I know you guys have been with me and you're like, about time, Billy, it's 2025. But we have over 1,100 pages in the video and document library, and we have over 4,000 resources. So moving was like moving a house, moving a mansion. And so it took a lot of work, but I'm very excited that we are almost there. We'll be there shortly. You're going to see that everything is organized, it's structured. As an example, our foundation and structure here, when you click on it, you'll be able to go into it. You'll be able to see the different pages within there, the different modules, the different things that you need to do. You'll have videos, you'll have files. You'll be able to show what you've completed. I know that was a big deal for a lot of people is, Billy, there's so much stuff. I don't know what I've done and what I haven't done. Well, now you'll be able to go into the actual modules and be able to see that you've completed that module and it'll follow a sequence order. I expect everything to be ready to move by the 1st of September. So you're going to see a transition period where we'll have both libraries working so that if you needed to go back because you're familiar with the old library and to go back and find something you could, but there'll also be the new library there as well. You'll be able to see how many lessons are in a particular sequence, like over here, 0 of 10 lessons. So you'll just be able to keep up with everything. Like I said, we just moved forward and we went into the 2025 and beyond. We're prepared for that. So if you are looking to grow your insurance agency, whether you're a PNC agency, commercial agency, Medicare, life insurance, any of that, we're going to have modules out there for everything that you need to grow your agency. We're going to use our 22 years of experience, knowledge, and wisdom to help you grow your agency while we continue to grow our agencies. Okay? This is Billy Williams. I just wanted to give you a heads up on what was going on. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you.